Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable manual grayscale settings in Canon LBP printer. Open Printer Preferences. Click Quality tab. Check Manual Grayscale Settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.